With our eyes closed, let us be present to Jesus, who has died for me, each one of us. And why has he died for me? Because he loves me. And why does he love me? Because I'm a child of the Father, just as he is. Jesus always conformed to the will of the Father. But I have not been conforming to God's will. Neither do I conform to others' will. I do my own will. Only when I am compelled, I might be doing other people's will. But there is some love in me, and that love is the love of God which is placed in my heart. And even though I may be selfish and self-centered, there are moments in which this love of God is enacted in my life. And that is the time when the Spirit leads me to be kind, to be compassionate, to be dying to myself so that the other may live. This is the grace that has been given to us in baptism. Jesus is dwelling within our hearts. Not only were we created with Him, through Him and in Him, but in baptism we have been clothed with Him so that we can have Him to help us to love as children of God with the love of the Father and as Jesus has loved us. Lord, truly, I'm sorry. You call each one of us to love in a very unique way because we are different parts of your body, cells in your body, and we have different functions in your body. May we realize this more and more and allow your Spirit to lead us, focused on you, to be your presence in our thoughts, words, and deeds. Like that woman who came, she brought the most precious thing and she broke it and she anointed you. We also come like her, bringing the love that is there within our hearts, bringing our brokenness in the love that we have tried to live, either self-centered love or loving others self-centeredly, but knowing that there is your love within us and bringing that now to you, to anoint you, to be with you as you suffer for me, to set me free from this bondage to sin, which is my main ego self. and I surrender that to you, Lord.